Hello everyone, in the previous tutorial we discussed about typecasting. In this video we will discuss about operators. Besides assigning an initial value to a variable or assigning another variable to it, we can also perform the usual mathematical operations on variables. Basic operators in C# include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus respectively. In C#, division gives an integer answer if both x and y are integers. However, if either x or y is a non-integer, we will get a non-integer answer. In the first case, when an integer is divided by another integer, you get an integer as the answer. The decimal portion of the answer, if any, is truncated. Hence, we get 3 instead of 3.5. In all other cases, the result is a non-integer as at least one of the operands is a non-integer. Suppose we have the variable x, with an initial value of 10. If we want to increment x by 2, we can write x equals x plus 2. The program will first evaluate the expression on the right, x plus 2, and assign the answer to the left. Instead of writing x equals x plus 2, we can also write x plus equals 2 to express the same meaning. The plus equals sign is actually a shorthand that combines the assignment sign with the addition operator. Hence, x plus equals 2 simply means x equals x plus 2. Similarly, if we want to do a subtraction, we can write x equals x minus 2 or x minus equals 2. The same works for all the 5 operators mentioned in the section above. Most programming languages also have the plus and minus operators. The plus operator is used when you want to increase the value of a variable by 1. For instance, suppose int x equals 2. If you write x plus, the value of x becomes 3. There is no need to use the equal sign when you use the plus operator. The statement x plus is equivalent to x equals x plus 1. The plus operator can be placed in front of or behind the variable name. This affects the order in which tasks are performed. Suppose we have an integer named counter. If we write console.writeLine, counter plus, the program first prints the original value of counter before incrementing counter by 1. In other words, it executes the tasks in this order. Console.writeLine, counter. Counter equals counter plus 1. On the other hand, if we write console.writeLine, plus counter, the program first increments counter by 1 before printing the new value of counter. In other words, it executes the tasks in this order. Counter equals counter plus 1. Console.writeLine, counter. In addition to the plus operator, we also have the minus operator, 2 minus signs. This operator decreases the value of the variable by 1. Comparison operators are used to compare two values, or variables. This is important in programming, because it helps us to find answers and make decisions. The return value of a comparison is either true or false. These values are known as Boolean values. In the following example, we use the greater than operator to find out if 5 is greater than 3. As with comparison operators, you can also test for true or false values with logical operators. Logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. If you have any doubts or suggestion, please let us in comments. Thanks for watching.